And now your Weather Max forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffitt.
Good morning and a happy Friday. We're waking up with temperatures much more bearable, still cold, but we are actually above our average low. Average low is about 2 degrees for late January, and we're at 7 degrees up on the hill in the Twin Ports. Now the wind chill, of course, is a factor, but we're still sitting above zero even with that wind chill in place. So about 2-3 degrees is really what it feels like when you go outside versus the double digits below zero. Now we still have International Falls sitting at 5 below, but Hibbing has increased to now 0 degrees. As I've been mentioning, these warmer temperatures are moving north through the morning hours, and by the mid to late afternoon hours, we'll be sitting in those low 20s once again, which is right on average. We've got temperatures in South Dakota in those mid to low 20s, and then folks in southern Minnesota like Rochester and Mankato about the upper teens. So we're going to see them eventually once we get that cloud cover moving in as well, and then that high pressure, which has been keeping us cool, will finally move off to the east this afternoon with that system approaching from the south. Now this morning, very quiet conditions for us up here in the Northland. Not much activity really expected this afternoon, even to the evening hours, besides some light lake effect snow. The main bulk of the system will remain to our south. If you've got plans headed towards, or if you're planning on taking a trip this weekend toward the Chicago area, they will be hit the hardest with that winter storm this afternoon through tomorrow night. So those will be the harder hit areas versus us here in the Northland. The main reason is because we've got that high pressure that has been kind of in control of the Northland weather for the last couple of days, which has brought all of that Arctic air, and it will finally subside off to our north and east. But when it moves off to our north and east, we're going to pick up a southeast wind from that. And with that wind coming off of Lake Superior, if temperatures are cool enough, we will see some lake effect, mainly from Silver Bay up to Grand Marais, and even a little bit further inland could pick up some of that accumulation. But the bulk of this low pressure system remains to our south, and you'll notice those heavier totals right over the Chicago area, and even Minneapolis will get spared from this system as well. They're also only expected around 2 to 4 inches from this system also. So most of the Midwest and northern Midwest, I should say, will miss out on a lot of the snowfall totals, but for some of us, we should still see some light snowfall with the lake effect chances into your Sunday. So here's a closer look with the wind speeds. The main thing today, you're going to notice into the afternoon hours, winds will start to pick up out of the east, which of course brings in that wind chill factor, but we're going to see stronger winds up along the northern portions of Minnesota, which bring in the chance for lake effect. And that's why I'm going with a few higher totals for northeastern Minnesota. Saturday through Sunday is where we can see some of that snow, but most of this is very, very light snow. Do not expect heavy to moderate even snowfall for this system, as it's tapering off very early Sunday afternoon, and then we're actually going to see clearing skies behind that. So I know as much as we need the snow here, we just won't get that much from it from this system. About 1 to 3 inches is really what most of us will see, even a trace for some further off to our west. And I'm on the low end in terms of confidence for the storm totals. Now for folks along the North Shore, 3 to 6 inches is a good possibility for folks if they can pick up that lake effect, which will start tonight through Sunday morning. So a 2-day period to only bring about 3 to 6 inches really isn't all that much to begin with. 28 degrees will also be our high temperature tomorrow. So again, with those warmer temperatures in place, some freezing rain could also be a potential the further south you go, just because temperatures will be warmer. So if you plan to head to the cities tomorrow, you could run into some icy roads. Other than that, it really shouldn't be all that bad of a weekend.
Just a little bit of snow to watch out for, but yeah, we are just kind of missing that there. So
every weekend it seems.
That's how it's been. That really is how it's been. But we do have a lot to look forward to with
30s.
These temperatures that are average, which is a good word to hear after the last few days.
Oof, yeah.
Thanks, Caitlin.
Yep.